that also reppin' Brisbane. Trust me, you don't want it with me. I got that Samoan flavour that they love in the street. I'm coming with heat. You hate it, then just run it, you'll see. There ain't no other culture that has ever done it like we. Stepping with pride, water flying high. Ain't nobody represent as much as my kind. Samoa, Mo Samoa, and we're never gonna change, nah. But if you wanna muck around, then le'aila. Usos be running through the streets, always ducking the cops. Because these ufos always trying to put our fun to a stop, but never. Always together, we sever through different barriers. Now all of a sudden they being mad at us. I could never care, cause that pride runs deep. Tell them boys get out of here if they try and stop me.
Hello everyone. From now on, we are on our way to Suncorp Stadium. Gonna go watch Toa versus Toa Samoa. Follow us, stay tuned, and enjoy. Thumbs up. So yeah, we came in our car and we parked here. It's a good spot to park your car. And we're gonna catch the city cat, go to Suncorp Stadium. So yeah, beautiful day. It's gonna be hot today. So yeah. Stay with us. We're gonna take you guys to Suncorp with us. Enjoy the video. Thumbs up, subscribe. 685 to the world. So this is Moray Park. This way park, that car park there. You only pay 50 cents. 50 cents only to catch the ferry. For those you're not knowing about here in Brisbane, about this kind of stuff, because it's gonna be hard to look for parking at the stadium, so it's a good one. Just park your car here, jump on a city cat, take you to Newton. It's gonna be a stop there, Newton somewhere.
Tofā screaming
685 on your speaker, 685 on your radio, 685 we'll be rolling, 685 we'll be trolling, 685 around the world, Talofa singing Samoan, 685 around the world, yeah. So let it be known, so let it be.
See, I was born and raised in Oz, but I got that 685 in my blood. Don't forget your roots and who you are. No matter how close or how far, it's still red, blue and white stars. And I do it for my culture, my people straight soldiers. Keep my family closest, the hustle keep me focused. And oftentimes being plus to get you doubted, huh? I thank my mama and my grandma who kept me grounded. And all my usos repping Southeast Melbourne. You see the blessings counting, make your parents the proudest. And I've been to foreign places, my people in the crowd with the flag raising. Trust me, it ain't the face, Tofā Soifua way. Yeah, I'm full blooded, something I'll never change. Nostalgia to the place, so don't forget the name. Samoa.
685 on your speaker, 685 on your radio, 685 we'll be rolling, 685 we'll be trolling, 685 around the world, Talofa singing Samoan, 685 around the world, yeah. So let it be known, so let it be known. Speaker, 685 on your 685 we'll be rolling, 685 we'll be patrolling, 685 around the world, Talofa singing Samoan, 685 around the world, yeah. So let it be known, so let it be known.
Oh, Tawina.
look people, we are here. We are making our way to...
Welcome to Brisbane, Australia, not that far from Suncorp Stadium.
Guys, finally we are here. So now the Samoan police Brisbane and doing a little entertainment. You guys there?
Hello, okay, our first time at Suncorp. Bye.
Maroons, Mo Samoa, ia MMT Parade Anthem, Tofā Soifua, Aua Eiki Koe Ofa A'au, Eiki Koe Ofa A'au, Aua ke kungauna, ia I kore kai au fou. Tofā Maroons, Mo Samoa, ia MMT Parade Anthem, Tofā Soifua, Aua Eiki Koe Ofa A'au, Aua ke kungauna, ia I kore kai au fou.
Oli oli mali lo, o tongi wa mai.
los kau Mo Samoa. Feel
reaction and discover your next Queensland event. Queensland.com. For such events, there's no place like Queensland when it comes to providing Australians.
so Suncorp reppin' Brisbane, trust me, you don't want it with me. I got that Samoan flavour that they love in the street. I'm coming with heat, you hate it, then just run it, you'll see. There ain't no other culture that has ever done it like we. Stepping with pride, foot flying high. Ain't nobody represent as much as my kind. Samoa, Mo Samoa, and we're never gonna change, nah. But if you wanna muck around, then le'aila. Usos be running through the streets, always ducking the cops. Because these ufos always trying to put our fun to a stop, but never. Always together, we sever through different barriers. Now all of a sudden they being mad at us. I could never care, cause that pride runs deep. Tell them boys get out of here if they try and stop me. Showing love for the culture, we ain't worried about no drama. Got the flag flying out the fuck, my llama screaming
685 on your speaker, 685 on your radio, 685 we be rolling, 685 we be trolling, 685 around the world. Talofa singing Samoan, 685 around the world. So let it be known, so let it be.
See, I was born and raised in Oz, but I got that 685 in my blood. Don't forget your roots and who you are. No matter how close or how far, it's still red, blue and white stars. And I do it for my culture, my people straight soldiers. Keep my family closest, the hustle keep me focused. And oftentimes being plus to get you doubted, huh? I thank my mama and my grandma who kept me grounded. And all my usos repping Southeast Melbourne. You see the blessings counting, make your parents the proudest. And I've been to foreign places, my people in the crowd with the flag raising. Trust me, it ain't the face, for a Samoa way. Yeah, I'm full blood, it's something I'll never change. Nostalgia to that place, so don't forget the name. Samoa.
685 on your speaker, 685 on your radio, 685 we'll be rolling, 685 we be trolling, 685 around the world. Talofa singing Samoan, 685 around the world. So let it be known, so let it be known. Speaker, 685 on your 685 we'll be rolling, 685 we be patrolling, 685 around the world. Talofa singing Samoan, 685 around the world. Let it be, so let it be known, so let it be known.
Tausala Samoa, Tausala Samoa, Natumai, Oli Malile, Tongi Hamai, Kaamale Ene, Yaseto Alebai, Taasa Ala Iafai O Faiba, Ete Ono Meai, Matala Sile Tausala, Leo Pia Leo Basi. Tausala Samoa. Yo, 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 yo. Ole maulu Samoa lena. Atata atai ababaitanga. Lefati ola pesefia fia. Sibatene mana ya sia usiba. Etio ole tupu. Sio le la lei o sepa ole maulu Samoa lena atata atai ababaitanga le fati ola pesefia fia sibatene mana ya sia usiba etio ole tupu na mama asolomona. Se mali e maminoi ile se fa amali uliu fa amale ele ela o te ula e Samoa moniti
Now, we are back where we start from the beginning. Just go back here where our time. Yeah, just finished the game. On curve. So we shall have further presentation on us, especially our community. Not just North, but Samoa as well. We want to talk about our after the
Toa I wanna follow na litama na alam ngayon suha Hawe iya tumaw olela Lunga finang alo iya faya Pamanuya na ulit tawa Malo Ho'oy o se au nang leaw na Malo, ho'oy o se au ang naleaw na Ho'oy o lito Hello, mata o matua.